In this video we are going to deal with the login route. So I'm just copying all the stuff that is in this registration page. Okay, I'm copying it all the stuffs and paste it in auth.js, and we will work on the sign in process. Here I'm pasting it, and the things that is not required for signing in, just like I'm just changing is as auth and authentication user and get token. Okay, this is also public route. There is no need of name here because we are using only email and password. So here, as you can see, we should also require two things: JWT config and the validation. I think I don't have a JWT also. Just copy it and paste it here. Okay, fine. That's okay. Now here we don't need the name section, just get rid of it. Here I am getting rid of it. Now we need an email. That's perfectly fine. And in the password section you don't need to tell 6 or more characters. It's just only you should fill the password, right? It should be existing. Password is required. You should not you have to fill a password. You should not remain it as a blank. Okay, here we don't need name also, just get rid of it. And also here we are not have to check user is already exist or not. Fine. So I am writing it here. User already exists. I think it should write invalid credentials. If not user, then invalid credential. Okay, we are putting it not here. If it is not user, then invalid credential. Nah, that's fine. Now there is no need of Gravatar also, just get rid of it, and we should not have to create a object of it. Just also get rid of it, and all the section here till save, yes, just get rid of it. And that's all. And you have to write some code here. For payload we have to compare the password, right? So let's create a constant is match. If the const, so here we should require first of all bcrypt.js, require bcrypt.js, because we will match our password with the user password. It will match, it will allow the token to use the token. First of all, it will generate the token and allow the protected routes to be used. Here I am writing const is match, then const is match equals to, we are await bcrypt.compare, then comparing with the user password and the password, the password comma user dot password. If it not match, okay, that's fine. If it will not matching, then we can send a error message or otherwise we can generate a token. So first of all check if not matching. If it is not matching, then give an error message. Just copy it as the same invalid credentials, and if there is no error, then it will generate a token. Let's check into the Postman. Here I'm coming back to the Postman. Here I'm selecting the post route and copying the address from the here and paste it here. Here in the header section I'm writing it. Content type will be JSON format, value application /JSON, and in the body section we select raw and passing few information, that is email. It should be your email at gmail.com and password that we have put in here 1 2 3 4 5. If it is right, it will generate a token. If it is an error, it will show an error. Fine, I'm sending it. First of all, I'm sending the wrong information, as you can see, invalid credential. Now I'm putting the right information. First of all, check with the wrong password, same error, and now both are right. Now if we'll send, as you can see, your token has been generated, what we are trying to show. And that's all for this video. We are saving this file. We will also save this file, and that's all for this video. Thank you so much.